Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design your own TikTok effect. So if you guys didn't know, you can now create your own effects easily on TikTok. So you can customize based on your liking. What you need to do here is just click on this plus icon at the bottom, and then you can just click on this effect on TikTok and click on this create option. So tap on the create effect, then in here you just need to customize the effect to how you like it. For example, if you are going to create a makeup effect, you can click on makeup. Here you can adjust the lipstick, eyelashes, eyeshadow and others. And if you want to add sticker, just tap on the stickers in here. You can also add background, and you can also add 3D props. For example, you want to add this glasses, just tap on the glasses that you want. And then here you can also add filter to the effects. For example, I'm going to go with this shadow filter. You can click on the check icon, and then here you can also use green screen if you want to create one. And you can also add AI effect just like this. So just customize it as you like, and then when you are done, tap on this done at the top right corner. Then you can name your effects in here and describe the effect. After that, you can click on submit, and after you submit, the other TikTok user will be able to use your effect. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.